Sanibona namaZulu athi igama lami nguSikhukhoma, abeSuthu bathi libitso laka lina Sikhukhoma. Andzine yanka. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jambo. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe and also put the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you get a notification. Let's get to it. Well, there is a trend that was started by Igcokama, a Maskandi musician, which is called Fuseg Wethu. Fuseg Wethu. Yes, I said it. Fuseg Wethu. And we have seen even Julius Malema saying it. Fuseg Wethu. So I think it is relevant at this particular juncture to link it with the cutting edge of this hour. So former President Jacob Zuma was supposed to appear before the Zondo Commission this week. And this man didn't show up. In fact, if you summarize the statement that they issued last night, is basically saying Fuseg Wethu. Zondo, Fuseg Wethu. Apparently, Zondo and Zuma used to be friends. Not just friends, but close friends. That means Zondo knows certain secrets about Zuma, and also Zuma knows certain secrets about Zondo. So Zuma is raising concern as to the environment is not conducive for me to come and appear before the Zondo Commission. Therefore, I'm not willing to come and testify in front of my ex-friend because this man knows certain things about me. Maybe he may be unfair toward me if I testify. She will ask certain questions that I'm not comfortable with because he has a background or a secret that he knows about me. So the environment is not conducive for me to come and testify. So can this man, who is a chairperson, excuse himself and then the proceeding proceed? I will come freely and testify. But the condition, this man must excuse himself for a week. Then I will come and appear and testify. And Zondo said, no, I can't do that. I can't be told by another man. So, it is what it is. Let's look at this media statement that President Zuma issued last night. If you look closely to it, you'll see that the message is very clear. Angizi, word. In fact, Fuseg Wethu. Not his word, my words. But he meant to say that. Thank you for tuning in. Let's see each other next time when I post a video. Don't forget to subscribe